I don't want to be the just cheerlead, fake news level community. However, I do think we could use some work on the week before. What was it last week? 10,000 pips, almost no drawdown. We do need more of that feedback, because otherwise it's also like, what am I doing up here calling these trades? So there's another side to that too. So whether it's in demo or not, I mean, I'm not the person who's going to be hyped that, oh my God, put a one in the chat, making money so we can make some whatever. It's not like that. Please also understand every other thing that happens, every tool, every computer, every VPS, every broker, every account, every glitch, every system, every mirror. We get feedback on all of that. Please understand that off balance there, and don't forget that's part of this. And it's also about the community, because we already know this stuff is hard. We're up against so many things without even including props. When we add the prop, we're up against 20 more. So with everybody going against that much, I think having a community who's like lifting each other up and trying to find the silver lining or the light or the lesson, because sometimes the lesson is also powerful, it helps us all get to where we want to go. And that quote, if you help one, it's a ladder. And I think that's how I see the world, is each one help one and we all get further. Yes, you might be at a different starting point than, X, Y, and Z and be person over here. But if we all lift each other up, you automatically go up as well. And I just firmly believe that automatically, like it's systematic.